In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with HubSpot CRM, effortlessly connecting these two powerful tools to streamline your data management processes. First, let's navigate our way to the HubSpot settings. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account, where you'll find the settings by clicking on the gear icon, often found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This area is your control center, allowing you to manage and configure various features to suit your workflow needs. Next, once you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a list of options. What you're looking for is labeled as integrations. Clicking this will reveal a submenu where you'll select Connected Apps. This is where HubSpot keeps track of all the various applications and services it can interface with, providing a seamless extension of its capabilities. Now, within the Connected App section, look for the option named Visit App Marketplace. This marketplace is essentially a treasure trove of applications that can enhance and expand the capabilities of your HubSpot CRM, allowing for smoother business operations and data handling. In the app marketplace, you'll need to search for Jotform. You can do this by typing Jotform into the search bar located at the top of the page, then hitting enter. Once you find the Jotform application in the search results, click on it to open more details. When you have the Jotform application page open, you'll see a button labeled Connect App. Go ahead and click this button. This is the start of the integration process where you're essentially giving permission for these two systems to communicate with each other. After clicking Connect App, the next step will require you to log into your Jotform account. This ensures that the connection being made is secure and that only authorized individuals are allowing data to be shared between platforms. Enter your Jotform credentials and follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete this part of the process. Once logged in, you'll be asked to authorize HubSpot access to your Jotform data. This is a necessary step as it allows HubSpot to retrieve form submissions and other relevant data automatically without manual intervention. Make sure to review the permissions you are granting, ensuring that you are comfortable with the access level being requested. Once reviewed, authorize the access. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully integrated Jotform with HubSpot CRM. This integration empowers you to automate workflows, improve data accuracy, and better manage your customer interactions. Thank you for following along, and be sure to explore other integrations that can further optimize your business operations.